Today we discuss about the problems belongs to Pythagoras theorem. The 15th problem is in a equilateral triangle ABC. Because ABC is a equilateral triangle, AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. The three sides are equal. D is a point on BC. Therefore, D is one of the point lies on side BC. We join AD. We draw a perpendicular from A to BC. Therefore, AE perpendicular to BC. Therefore, angle E is 90 degree. BD is equal to such that BD is equal to 1 by 3 times of BC. Already given in the problem, BD value is 1 by 3 times BC. Therefore, this is a right angle triangle. There are 3 right angle triangles. We take only 2 right angle triangles, ADE and ABE. In a triangle ABE, AB is the hypotenuse. Therefore, AB square is equal to BE square plus AE square. BE square is equal to AB square minus BE square, because BE square can be shifted into left side. Therefore, AE square is equal to AB square minus BE square. This is equation 1. In a triangle AED, angle E is 90 degree. Therefore, AD is the hypotenuse. Therefore, AD square is equal to DE square plus AE square. We know that AD square can be written as it is. DE square means DE. DE is equal to BE minus BD. BE minus BD. We subtract from BE and BE to BD, we get to the value of DE. Therefore, we know that BE is a perpendicular distance. It divides the BC into 2 parts. Therefore, BE and EC are equal to half of BC. Therefore, by substituting, BE is equal to half of BC and BD is equal to, we know that 1 by 3 times BC. By same the denominator, 3 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6. Therefore, 3 BC minus 2 BC, the denominator is same. By adding by subtract the numerator, 3 BC minus 2 BC means 1 BC by 6 BC. The value of DE is 1 by 6 times BC. Therefore, by substituting the value of DE in the formula, 1 by 6 BC whole square plus the value of AE square means AB square minus BE square by from 1. AD square is equal to 1 by 6 6 36 BC square plus AB square, write it as it is. BE means 1 by 2 times BC. All the sides can be converted into AB and BC because AB, BC and AC are equal. Therefore, we convert these all the sides into original sides of equilateral triangle ABC. 1 by 36 BC value is equal to, in the way of proof, it consists of only AB. Therefore, we substitute the value of BC, AC in terms of AB. Therefore, AB square plus AB square, write it as it is. 1 by 2 2s are 4 BC square. BC square can be written as AB square because BC is equal to AC. By denominator can be same because by adding these 3. Therefore, 36 into 36. 4 9s are 36, 1 9s are. Therefore, the denominator is same. Adding the numerator, AB square plus 36 AB square minus 9ab square. Therefore 36 plus 1 37ab square minus 9ab square by 36. AC square AD square is write it as it is. 37 minus 9 means 28 AB square by 36. 9 4 7s are 28, 4 9s are, by cross multiplication 9 AD square is equal to 7 AB square. This is the proof of the problem.